Hi, this is Jinhyun, and let me start the presentation. So, history of the virtual reality. Morton Haig wrote 1950 experience theater that could encompass all senses in effective manner. He built prototype of his vision dubbed Sensorama in 1962, along 5 short film to be displayed while engaging multiple senses like sight, sound, smell, and touch. Uh, the Sensorama was actually the mechanical device. In 1968, Evan Sutherland, with the help of his students, including Bob Sproul, created what was widely considered to be the first head-mount display system for user immersive simulation application. It was primitive both term of user interface and visual realism. The the HMD to be worn by user was so heavy that it suspended from selling. By late 1980, the term virtual reality was popularized by Zaron Ranier, which is pioneer of this field. Ranier founded the company BPL Research in 1985. BPL Research has developed several VR devices such as Data Glove, iPhones, and Audiosphere. In 1991, Sega announced the Sega VR headsets in Mega Drive home console. It uses LCD screens and bezier stereo headsets and inertial sensor that allow system to track the react movement of user head. In 2010, Palmer Luckey designed first prototype in Oculus Rift. This prototype built on a shell of other VR headsets was capable of rotational tracking. However, it boosted a 90-degree field of view that was previously unseen in the consumers market at the time. Distortion issue arising from as rents used to be created a field of vision that was corrected by software written by John Carmack for version of Doom 3. This initial design were taken and later used for other devices. In 2016, HTC shipped the first unit of HTC Vive Steam VR headsets. This marked the first major commercial release on sensor-based tracking, allowing for free movement of user within defined space. In 2021, EASA approved the first virtual reality based on first flight simulation training device. This device enhanced the safety by opening up the possibility of practicing risk maneuver in virtual environments. In it reduces 20% of accidents of pilots occur during training flights. So let's talk about the software. The virtual reality modeling language, first introduced in 1994, was intended to development of virtual world without dependency on headsets. The Web 3D consortium was sequentially founded in 1997 for development of industry standard for web-based 3D graphics. The consortium subsequently developed X3D from VRML framework as a archival open source standard for web-based and distribution of VR contents. So hardware, modern virtual VR headsets displayed on based on technology and display for smartphone, including gyroscope and motion sensor for tracking head position, and small HD screen for stereoscopic display, small, lightweight, fast computer processor. These components led to relative affordable for independent VR develops, and Oculus Rift in 2012 Kickstarter offers for first independent development VR sets.